Hi, my name is Kevin, and I'm a rising junior at the Columbia Secondary School. And for my main project, I made an RC tank, and it's controlled by a PS2 controller. So the way it works is that it has an Arduino with a motor shield stacked on top of it, and connected to that motor shield, which is connected to the Arduino, is a receiver for the PS2 controller, and that's how that's what communicates with the Arduino for the control. So the motor shield, the way it works is it has H bridges, so that allows for the control of the motor both forward and backwards, and to not destroy your Arduino chip with too much current. And also, you can use more than 2 motors. You can use about 4 motors on your shield, and also 2 servos, and you can use anywhere from 5 volts to 12 volts, and it has a peak current of about 3 amps, so it has some pretty good flexibility for any other things. For my tank, I'm using a battery pack for a phone, so it's just about 5 volts, so it's not the max speed, but it does have a good amount just to run it. I created a base here because the Arduino would not fit down here on this space. So it's elevated. Some other things I did, for the track, I had to modify this and stick with hot glue because this sprocket that I placed here is not meant to be there. I did that because I realized that these wheels don't really spin when the track is moving around, and I thought that would help. Also, I tried to get the smallest wheel possible at the end to get a better gear ratio. Here's the gearbox. It has a gear ratio of 58:1, so even though these 5 volts are very little and it goes at a really decent speed, just not too fast, this helps it boost, so it can actually move at a normal pace. And that's pretty much how it works. So what you can do is, to make it work, first you have to plug in the power into the battery pack using this USB. And well, you have to get the remote paired. So you turn it on, there's a switch on the bottom, and you can see there's an LED blinking. And once it's solid, that means it's connected. And once that happens, you have to wait for this to stop blinking. Now it's connected. So the X will move it forward, triangle will move it back, and square and circle will make it go left and right. So you'll see that when you push the button, it goes forward. And well, definitely a lot of challenges with this. As you can see, still some errors and some bugs to work out. So this controller doesn't have a really reliable connection. It doesn't detect all the button presses, and sometimes, even if it does, it won't actually input them and make the motor move. So definitely a lot of problems to work out. Had a lot of challenges. I had to replace my receiver. That was faulty the first time. The controller has trouble pairing with the receiver, and well, just a couple of challenges overall that, even though they're there, it can be resolved. And well, that's pretty much my project. Thank you.